This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Melinda Marven. Brick ranch with great floor plan on large lot, formal living room and dining room. Family room with fireplace overlooking raised patio. Large rec room could be a home office with side entrance. Primary bedroom and bath down private hall and 2 additional bedrooms and a hall bath, eat-in kitchen and big utility room, lots of storage. 2-car carport with large enclosed storage room to the rear. Live in a rural setting yet only minutes to shopping, medical facilities, eateries, and the Route 58 interchange, making all of Hampton roads available. For more information, review the details below.